Hello and welcome to the Madhouse with you, boy, Jessie. Now, listen up. I'm an American fella living in the beautiful Philippines, and I've decided to stick around. The real adventure ain't just in the jungles, it's right under this blue water. Today, I'm your guide, your teacher, on a little tour of this underwater world. We're gonna treat the ocean like our own private classroom. You're gonna put your face in the water, and it'll feel like you stepped into another dimension. Forget what you think you know, we're starting from scratch. So take a deep breath, stay close, and let's get you ready to explore. First things first, let's set the scene. The water's like a warm bath, welcoming and gentle. Turquoise, sapphire, emerald, colors shifting with the light. Dip your face below and the whole world changes. Land noise fades to a quiet hum. All you hear is your breathing, steady and calm. This is a POV reef tour. You're right here with me. Observe, learn, don't disturb. The reef is like an ancient city, teeming with life. Fish teach graceful movement. Coral is the architecture of life itself. I'll be your teacher. Learn to move safe and respectful. You'll feel clumsy at first. Relax. Be a leaf on a calm stream. That's when the magic starts. All right, let's talk about your kit. Your gear is your lifeline, your primary survival equipment. It doesn't have to be fancy, just functional. 3 basics: a mask, a snorkel, and fins. The mask is your window. It needs a perfect seal. Press it to your face, inhale. If it sticks, you're good. If it leaks, you'll be babysitting water. No thanks. This tube lets you breathe with your face down, mouthpiece comfy, bite tabs gently. Keep the top above water. Splash valve helps beginners. Practice till it feels natural. Fins are your engine. Move with less effort, save energy for watching. Snug like shoes, walk backward on deck, in water, graceful. The ocean is powerful and demands respect. Follow a few simple protocols, and you'll remember this for the right reasons. Rule 1, buddy up. Never snorkel alone. A friend helps with cramps, fatigue, or fiddly gear. Rule 2, check conditions before you get in. Wind picking up, waves growing, wait it out. Rough seas and current can turn things dangerous fast. Listen to local guides, Mother Nature is the boss. Rule 3, stay calm, clear your mask, breathe, carry on. Final rule, do not touch anything. The reef is alive and fragile. Some things sting. Take only pictures, leave only bubbles. Be a polite guest. Breathing is the rhythm of life, and your snorkeling soundtrack. Practice on land. Mask on, snorkel in. Breathe slow and deep. Exhale completely. Let your body adapt. In the water, keep that same deliberate rhythm. Don't hold your breath. No panicky gasps. Think bellows fan in a gentle flame. Heart rate down, mind clear. Water in the tube? Blast clear. Foosh. Sharp exhale. Water out. If overwhelmed, head up. Breathe normally. Try again. Calm breath lets you stay longer. Move less, splash less. The fish stop seeing a big clumsy predator and start letting you in. Now that you're breathing like a Zen master, let's talk movement. Fins are your power. Grace beats flail every time. Kick from your hips, legs long, toes pointed. Let the fin do the work. Small, smooth kicks beat big, splashy ones. Don't swim with your hands. Keep them relaxed. Use legs for momentum. Slow way down near coral. Tiny kicks or float motionless. Control depth with breath. Rise on inhale, sink on exhale. Hover cleanly. No touching, no sandstorms. Remember to rest. Find a spot you love, float, and watch the little dramas unfold. Cleaner shrimp, parrotfish munchin', butterfly fish dancing. Welcome to the neighborhood. Philippine reefs are bustling cities. Here are 5 locals you're likely to meet. First, Nemo, bright orange with white stripes, tucked in a stinging anemone. Look, don't touch. Next, parrotfish, electric blues and greens. Hear that crunch? Reef landscapers making beach sand. Sea turtles, green or hawksbill, majestic and calm, munching seagrass or resting on sand. Give plenty of space. Approach slow, never swim over them. Great schools, sardines or jackfish surround you like living silver clouds. They move as one, parting around you. Predators bring drama. Hunt for seahorses, tiny, delicate masters of disguise. Patience and sharp eyes pay off. They drift like floating seaweed. Spotting one feels like finding treasure, proof of the reef's amazing diversity. The Philippines has thousands of islands. Here are 3 great snorkel spots: Apo Island, Moalboal, and El Nido. Apo, healthy coral gardens start feet from shore, community-run, gin-clear water, and turtles galore. Moalboal, swim from the beach into a sardine vortex, dramatic wall and tons of life. El Nido, towering karsts, hidden lagoons, feels like a natural aquarium. Hire local guides. They know tides, currents, critter hideouts. They'll keep you safe and show you what you'd miss. You support the community and the reef. A good guide's worth their weight in gold. Especially for first-timers, these 3 are accessible, unforgettable, and perfect to get your fins wet. We do all this, the learning, preparation, and travel, for the moments. Dawn is my favorite. The sea's a polished mirror, the world is quiet. I slipped in and floated over a shallow reef, fully relaxed. Then he appeared, a big green sea turtle, calm and deliberate. Close enough to see his wise eyes, shell patterns, even a remora hitchhiking. We floated there, just looking at each other, 2 worlds meeting. With a gentle flap, he turned, sank, and vanished back into the blue. I drifted a while, small but grateful. That silent encounter beat any movie, reminding me of the magic waiting beneath the waves. So there you have it, basic training complete. Gear, breathe, move, and respect the reef. First time out, you might bob like a potato, sputter like a cartoon, totally okay. Laugh and keep going. If this sparked some curiosity, subscribe for more calm adventures, hit like, and share it with someone who needs more ocean, peace, and wonder. Let's build a community of respectful, curious explorers. Go make memories that last a lifetime. And as always, friends, know that you are valuable and you matter. God bless and peace. And